Hey guys, we received this Headlightz beanie cap with LED light for test and try. So here you can see it comes in a normal packaging. This is the beanie cap with the inbuilt LED light that you can use in the dark. So whenever you are wearing it in a winter and you are going outside, you can just take it out. So there is a pouch that have this LED light in. You can recharge this LED light by this inbuilt USB. So here is the USB that you can use to recharge this LED light and you can use it again and again. So you can see the pressing and the button. So it's a really bright light that you can use in the dark. So here you can charge this LED light in here with the USB. You can see this red light indicator that this is charging. So this is a nice LED light beanie cap, very comfortable, soft material, and you can easily put it down in that cap. So once this is fully charged, you can put it back in the cap and you can use this. So material wise, this is a really soft beanie cap, very nice for the winter use, and you can easily put or wash after taking this LED light. You can also clean this up. So a nice beanie cap, I will say, with a inbuilt LED light. You can use it in the dark with a rechargeable light and function. So you can see that the side and the design wise also flexibility is really nice. So fits really well and you can see the fitting and very nice beanie cap with the LED light.